Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to get the camera icon back on Samsung smartphones. First we check if we have the camera app. Go to settings, next enter app and search on the list. If camera app is still there. If the camera app is not on the list, you need to install app for camera or rewrite the software. In my case the camera app is on the phone but it's hidden. Let's go and check if the camera app is hidden. Click on home screen. Click on settings. Click on hide apps. If the camera is in the top part under hidden apps, click the minus sign to unhide it. Click done. The camera icon app is on the screen where it was before. Thanks for watching. If you found it useful, press the like button. I wish you a nice day.